Streaming services personalized content recommendations. When you log into your favorite streaming service, whether it's Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube, you're greeted with personalized recommendations tailored just for you. This isn't by chance, it's AI at work. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing or listening habits, preferences, and even the time of day you're most active, to suggest content that you're likely to enjoy. This personalized experience keeps users engaged and ensures that you're always discovering new content that suits your tastes. For example, Netflix uses a recommendation system that considers factors like your previous viewing history, the time you spend on each show, and even your interactions with other shows. Similarly, Spotify's AI-driven Discover Weekly playlist curates songs based on your listening history, introducing you to new artists and tracks that match your musical preferences. YouTube also leverages AI to recommend videos that align with your interests, making it easier to find content that resonates with you. The impact of AI on streaming services goes beyond just recommendations. AI is also used to optimize video quality based on your internet speed, manage bandwidth usage, and even create dynamic playlists that adapt to your mood or activity. By using AI to enhance personalization and user experience, these platforms have revolutionized how we consume entertainment, making it more enjoyable and tailored to individual preferences.